In this video, you will learn how to compare markets in TradingView. You will learn how to analyze the compare, and you will learn a secret keyboard shortcut that will enable you to toggle the compare of your favorite index on and off. Stay tuned. Let's compare Volvo to the Swedish main index by pressing the compare button and typing in the index. You will notice that you get almost like a new indicator that you can turn on and off. If you don't see the comparison, which is the orange here, you need to go to the price ruler and make sure that you're set to percent. If you're set it to regular, it will vanish. Notice that there is a keyboard shortcut for switching to percent. So let's switch to regular and try the keyboard shortcut, which is Alt-P or Option-P on the Mac. It can actually be used to switch it off as well. So now you have a very convenient keyboard shortcut that you can turn on and off the index with. Now let's analyze the stock using the compare function. If you move the chart side to side, you will see that the compare is jumping up and down. So the way you can think of this is, if you buy the index on the left side and the stock on the left side, you will have gained or lost to the index the amount of difference on the right side. So as you can see, this stock overperformed and underperformed against the index in different times and ended up actually being at the same spot as the index in the end. So here we can see that the index outperformed the stock. We can measure this by drawing trend lines and activating the show angle feature on the trend line. The index moved at the rate of 20 degrees and the stock moved down at the rate of minus 35 degrees. Let's remove the trend lines. We can also see the difference in white space increasing between the index and the stock. At this particular junction point, the stock managed to catch up with the index by moving much faster than the index. The index moved at the rate of 42 and the stock is moving at a rate of 59, so they catch up. Let's drop to a different lower time frame to see what's happening with the stock in the near time. I switch to the 1 hour. So during this drop here, we can see that the stock and the index are pretty aligned and moving in tandem. But we can see a divergence when the stock market as a whole starts moving up and the stock continues down. This causes this gap here. So what it means is that if we bought the index here and the stock here, we'd be better off just keeping the index. But what if we want to find out what would happen if we had bought the stock down here? We can just move this to the left side of the chart. And now we can see that we have outperformed the index by buying this bottom. What if we had bought this top? If we bought the top of the stock here, thinking it would break even higher, we'd be losing to the index now. and the difference would be minus 5%. So buying the index here would be much better. Happy comparing. If you're planning on signing up for a paid account on TradingView, please help me out and use my affiliate link below. If you like this video and want more content like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.